Xcel Brands acquires Lori Goldstein and the logo as well. It's roughly up, roughly 60% right now in this session of the 5th of April 2021. We have a 52-week high that occurred today. Let's see if we can open that. Okay, it's not budging. We also have that it has a market cap of $37.1 million. 19.231 million shares are outstanding, and I believe more than that has traded so far. It says price reached a new 52-week high of $4.15. This exceeds the previous high of $3.15 by $1, and it is 713.73% above the 52-week low of $0.51. So what we are looking at right now is a very bullish unbalanced volume indicator. MACD is above MACD histogram is above zero and rising. The 14 period slow stochastic oscillator is improving. Yes, you already know the news. So is Xcel Brands a buy? I would say no. For now, it is up 61.66%. Even though it's a penny stock, I would still not advise you to buy Xcel Brands right now. I would just say just hold on, let this settle, and you jump in. But if you can't wait to jump in, by all means, the decision is all yours. But for us, it is not a buy based on the fact that it is running up a huge gain of about 61.58%. So currently in this live session, we can see it is just consolidating on the $3.115 level. We set these retracement levels, and we set the base of that these retracement levels at $3.09. So we can see has retraced from this this high of 52. Okay, the 52-week high we read out earlier was at $4.15, so which will be close to 100% at that point. So it has since retraced, extended a bit further again, but retraced now. So currently trading in between its short and intermediate trend lines. So we can see the MACD is also below the signal line. Momentum is currently flat out. So yeah, I mean there might be a temptation to buy the stock, but left to me, I wouldn't advise you to do so. But if you know what you're doing and you're keen on doing so, by all means jump in. But it's currently up 60.62% and still moving. So let's have a look at the other models. Let's look at the 5-minute model. Let's see what it's saying. 5-minute model saying it's trading below its short-term trend lines. That will be the 10-day trend line, the short-term trend line, the 20-day trend line. So it's trading below them but above the 50-day and the 200-day. Momentum is flat. MACD is below the signal line for this 5-minute model. Let's look at the 10-minute model. The 10-minute model is up 61 points, rather it's up 60% roughly, and in this 10-minute model it's trading in between the 10-day and the 20-day trend lines but above the 50-day and 200-day. MACD is below the signal line. Momentum is holding things up, not at least not outselling, or rather overselling. So we move on to the 15-minute model. It's currently up 60% now. So in this case as well, it is trading in between the 10-day and the 20-day but above the 50-day and the 200-day. Momentum is also fairly okay, just holding things up, just consolidating. In this case, MACD is also above the signal line. And yes, we'll go on and look at the 30-minute model. The 30 minutes model is indicating we have the price is above all of its trend lines but below the volume weighted average price. The MACD in this 30-minute model is above the signal line. Also, momentum is holding things up there. The 60-minute model, let's see, it should be much more bullish. Yes, you can see that it's even though it is retracing from this, you can see we have that $4 point, that 52-week high. We have it on this 60-minute model. We have it here. It wasn't recorded in the other ones, even though we didn't absolutely check very well, but we can see it is retracing based on this 60-minute model but above all of its trend lines. We can see the momentum has also retraced, clearly retraced here. but still holding things up. MACD is strongly above the 10-day trend line, very much bullish there. So it's currently up roughly 60%, and on the daily chart we're going to see something else completely different. You can see it's clearly bullish here. The momentum is also rising, and MACD is above the signal line and rising. So this will bring us all back to the 1 minute model, and we can see it's just still within that territory of the 3.09 level, where we set our base for the Fibonacci retracement. So we'll continue to see how things pan out. So it's, you know, holding on at this 60% level gain, 60% gain level. So yeah, we also believe its short interest decreased by 47%. It must have flushed out certain market participants who have been shorting the stock, or they may not really be that serious against at shorting the stock, but we have a decrease of 47%. So let's have a look and see if that is still the case. Yes, it is. We can see it decreased by 46%, but it will take just about 1 day to cover all of those positions. And we have it's saying it has a float of 9.6, whereas we are talking about, we saw 19 million there. But also what is also certain is also that 69 million shares have exchanged hands during this session so far. 69 million shares, yes, which is way above its average volume. Let's see if we can validate that. So yes, you can see 10-day average is about 229,200. 90-day average is 597,834. So we can look at, so you can see that today's volume is on track to be heavier than usual, with 69.17 million shares having traded so far. Okay, so that's what's going on with Xcel Brands. Xcel Brands up roughly 60% right now in this market session of the 5th of April 2021. So yes, but on this 1 minute model, momentum is improving, but MACD is still signaling that the stock itself is not really showing any strong bullish direction, or any strong direction. It's not pointing to any direction as such, so it's very much neutral at the moment. But we can see it's slightly above the signal line, which is a reflection of what we saw going on here. But it's still very much a consolidated pattern so far, since the best part of 10 minutes now, or 15 minutes. So yes, so Xcel Brands up 60.62%. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you.